In the complex world of industrial processes, accuracy and reliability are critical. Today, we'll explore a game-changing technology that's revolutionizing level measurement in industrial settings: radar sensors from Banner Engineering. Traditional level measurement technologies often face challenges such as accuracy, increased maintenance, and environmental constraints. Whether it's in chemical plants or manufacturing facilities, accurate level measurement is crucial for operational efficiency and accurate supply chain predictions. So with that, I'd like to introduce industrial radar sensors from Banner Engineering. These devices offer cutting-edge solutions designed to overcome the limitations of conventional technologies. Unlike traditional methods like float switches, mechanical switches, or even ultrasonic sensors, these devices utilize advanced radar technology to provide unparalleled performance. So why choose radar over the alternatives? Let's explore the key advantages. The first one is accuracy in the face of environmental challenges. So Banner radar sensors offer exceptional accuracy even in challenging conditions such as extreme temperatures, dust, or vapors. Its ability to provide precise measurement ensures that your processes run smoothly and with optimal efficiency. The second advantage is a non-contact measurement principle. Unlike contact-based methods that can be prone to wear and tear, radar sensors operate on a non-contact principle, and this means that there's no physical contact with the measured substance, reducing the need for maintenance and increasing the sensor's lifespan. The third advantage is the versatility of radar sensors. From liquids to solids, radar is highly versatile. It adapts seamlessly to different materials and can be easily integrated into various industrial processes, providing a one-size-fits-all solution for your level measurement needs. So whether it's monitoring levels in storage tanks, managing chemical processes, or optimizing material inventory, Banner radar ensures accuracy and reliability in every scenario. In conclusion, radar sensors are redefining the landscape of level measurement in industrial settings. Its accuracy in the face of environmental conditions, non-contact measurement principle, and the versatility of the Banner radar lineup make it the go-to solution for those striving for efficiency and improved supply chain predictions.